You go.
Yeah, in Fort Morgan, it is a blizzard. This is the kind of thing we saw this morning. Blowing snow, swirling all around. Our crew on the ground there felt the biting cold and the wind.
So we are tracking the storm as it moves through the state. Kennedy Cook and Parker, things calming down a little bit after a blast of snow this morning. Calvi Zanandri in the First Alert Weather Tracker along I-70, watching a big closure for us. But we're going to start with Marissa Adamas in Fort Morgan. Marissa, how's it been the last few hours?
Hey, Dom, well, we are in full blizzard mode here in Fort Morgan. These winds are getting stronger and this snow is rapidly falling down and it is cold. Now, I want you to take a look back here. That back there is Highway 76 and it really is low visibility. I mean, earlier today we were seeing some of those highway signs in cars, but as of this moment, we can't really see those signs anymore. And it's actually really even hard to see the vehicles that are on that highway. And it really is those whiteout conditions that people are concerned about. Now, when you're looking at the roads here in Fort Morgan, a lot of that snow is starting to accumulate. On our way back to this location, we did see some cars are stranded in this area. And again, officials are telling people stay home and stay off those roads if you don't need to be out. If you do happen to get stranded, stay inside your car. And when we're looking at some of these roads that may already be closed, officials are saying that, of course, don't try to take alternative routes. GPS is not your friend in this situation. And of course, if you have an emergency, call 911. Now, we are hearing that the county offices are closed here for the day. We also know that the Colorado 4x4 rescue and recovery team is also here on the ground helping with any situations that may arise. But as you can see, the conditions here continue to change. These winds now hitting me in the face here, but we're going to go ahead and toss things over to Calvi Zanandri, who's over on I-70 in Air Park Road.